my name is Ananya Dalmia, and for today's video, I am going to be discussing a really important topic. So, manifestation is something that we all do consciously or unconsciously. We all manifest things. For today's video, I'm just going to be talking about what is manifestation, what are techniques you can use to manifest, and how much does it work, and why it doesn't work for some people. And also I will be discussing how I got into manifestation, what techniques did I use, and did they work or not. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I was never the kind of person to actually believe in all of these things, but when I started doing it, I got what the hype is all about. So first of all, let's know what manifestation is. So manifesting refers to various self-help strategies that are intended to bring about. So the whole point of manifestation is to feel your desired outcome. But if you're not feeling it from the inside, you're not feeling your affirmations, you are like, I cannot be that wealthy, or I will never be in that position. So in this case, the affirmations might backfire or they won't work at all. So for example, if you're manifesting wealth, you will say on affirmations like, I'm rich, I'm wealthy, I do not have to worry about how much I spend. Some more examples are, if you want a car, then you pretend like you already have that car. And if you want good skin, you go on like, I have good skin, I have clear skin, and I have healthy skin. So these are all the positive affirmations that you can say. And the best way to find affirmations is either you can go on YouTube and search for positive affirmations for healthy skin, healthy body, and all of these things, so you'll get all the affirmations. Or you can go to Pinterest and type the same thing, positive affirmations for healthy body, and you will get so many affirmations. And what I like to personally do is that I save all of these pictures and create a mood board in PicsArt, and just set it as my lock screen so that I see it every day. Unconsciously or consciously, you will read those affirmations. It's not like you read it for one time a day and it works. You need to give it some time to work, and because you need to work on it, you need to feel it. And it's not like you are wanting wealth but you're not doing anything to get it. It doesn't work like you are sitting at your home and you are saying all of these positive affirmations like, I'm rich and I have this and I have that. It doesn't work like that. You need to work towards your goal. So the next question is, what all can you attract? So you can basically attract each and everything that you put your mind on. There's nothing in this world that you cannot attract. So if you are already manifesting, amazing. But if you're not, then what are you waiting for? Okay, so now I'm going to be talking about how I got into manifestations. Okay, so I made my Instagram account public back in November, and I wanted to create all of this content and everything that I wanted to, but it wasn't gaining any views. Like, if it's 200, it's 200 no matter what. It wasn't growing. I already knew what manifestation was because of YouTube and stuff, so I was like, why not give it a try? So I saw a lot of methods and I tried them, but the one that actually worked for me was listening to subliminals. So I'm not going to get into a lot of detail as to what subliminals are. Subliminals, I will explain what they are when I will be telling you guys about the techniques you can use. So just giving you an overview, I listened to subliminals for about 2 straight months, and from 1st December I started listening to clear skin subliminals. Yeah, that's how I got into it. I totally forgot about it. I started with the clear skin subliminals, and trust me, like, you will not believe this, in 1 week, like, there are some changes that only you can feel. My skin felt healthy and glowing, and my dark circles, even they got a little bit, like, there was not a huge difference that they were like gone completely overnight. It wasn't like that, but a little bit of change was there, and you will not believe it. So yeah, and it's not a coincidence that a girl whom I haven't talked since 4 years, personally, she DM'd me and told me that, like, I look pretty in this picture and I'm doing amazing. So, and that was the time when I was listening to that subliminal. And this is one time, and so many times this has happened. Do you realize the power of manifestation? Like, it must have happened to all of you at some point in your life. Like, you're imagining yourself in a positive or a negative situation, and you are imagining it every day in your life because of some reason, and that things happen in the same exact manner that you were imagining it. That is what manifestation is all about. So I started listening to grow my followers, subliminals. My page page did grow by, I guess, 300 followers. Then I restarted it in March, I feel, and that was the time when I was creating content and I loved what I was creating. I was in a really good environment and I felt positive all day. So obviously, if you feel positive and you manifest, it doubles the energy. When I made my account public, my followers in January grew till 900, like 300 followers. When I started again in March, I grew it from 800 to 1400 in just 1 month. Trust me, I'm not kidding. Like, I wish I had the screenshots. I didn't know that I was going to make this video, but so I'll just insert here what all did I create between March and April, and one of my reel actually so it's surprising to me because my reels do not blow up at all. So it was really surprising to me that one of it actually got like 44k views. So yes, it's not a lot of views to a lot of people, and it's not like it was something special or a unique video. I used to post dance videos here and there all the time, so I was like, yeah, it's working. So now I will get into why I stopped manifesting. So after April, I wasn't in the right place. I was going through a lot of things. I was not feeling good from inside, and just a lot of things were happening. Stopped creating anything for a month, and manifesting was like the last thing on my mind that time. And I also stopped because I knew that if I manifest in the wrong state of mind, it might backfire. And even you should stop manifesting if you're not in the right place of mind and you're not feeling what you actually desire, because it will backfire or it won't work and all of your efforts will be in vain. If your body is not feeling it but you're manifesting and your manifestations do not come true, you will feel like the universe doesn't want me to achieve this thing, and you will just have all of these negative thoughts that are completely ridiculous, and you do not want that. Okay, so now I'm going to be discussing a few techniques using which you can manifest. First is meditation. So there are a lot of videos on YouTube, so you just type meditation manifestation for this particular thing and a lot of videos will pop. So a really important note here is that whenever you are going through a video on YouTube for manifestation, make sure to check the comment section. There are just so many channels that say that this particular YouTube channel have filled negative thoughts in their meditation or subliminal. So just go through the comment section once and see what the people are saying. Okay, so the next method is the pillow method. So in this method, what you do is that you write the thing that you desire on a paper 3 times and just put it under your pillow. So now the next method is 55 into 5 method. There's also a 33 into 3 method which you can follow. So in this method, what you do is that you write the thing that you desire on a piece of paper for 55 times for 5 days continuously, and you have to write the same exact thing for 5 days. Same thing happens when you follow the 33 into 3 method. So now the fourth method is affirmations. So it's a really easy method. Like I told you before, if you want some positive affirmations, you can either go on YouTube or on Pinterest, download some positive affirmations, create a mood board, and just however you like to read those affirmations. If you want to set a particular time that I will read those affirmations between this particular time, so just go on. I like to make a mood board and just set it as my wallpaper so that I can see it throughout the day. So now the next method is subliminals. So I was actually waiting for this method to come up because I so wanted to discuss it with you guys, and this is by far like my most favorite method because it actually worked for me. So the subliminals are basically in the form of a video. They are just like any other normal songs, but there are hidden affirmations in those, so you will not be able to hear those, but your subconscious mind will be able to hear them. So how they work is that you just go to YouTube and write subliminals for clear skin, or subliminals for a healthy body, subliminals for weight loss. So there are just so many subliminals out there, but again I would suggest you all to go through the comment section. So you just lie down, listen to those affirmations for how many times you want. There the owner of the page actually tells you how many times you can listen to that particular subliminal. So there are times when that particular subliminal is very strong, and that is why they tell you to only listen to it twice or thrice. Just read the description box. And the next method is the 17-second method. So in this method, it's very easy. It's not very easy, I'm sorry, it's not easy. In this, what you have to do is that for 17 seconds you have to be completely concentrated on the thing that you want. Like, I've not tried it, but I guess I will. So now the next method is scripting. In this method, what you do is like, or you write down just all the things that you want and you desire in a script manner, and then you just follow it for a number of days. I'm not really sure how many days. You can just search it because I've never tried it. So actually it's very important that no matter how you are manifesting, you should be able to visualize yourself in that situation. So even if you are doing the 55 into 55 method, the subliminals, the meditation, the scripting, you should be able to visualize yourself. So yeah, this is it, and these are all the things that I wanted to tell you about manifestation. And if you have any questions, you can always DM me. And that is it for the video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.